Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on the BMW and we'll shoot a very fast video, guys, to show you how to replace your Serpentine belt. What the Serpentine belt diagram is. This is a 325, but the 328, I think, and even other ones will be the same procedure. You can see this one is a wagon. Doesn't matter if you have a Beamer from 2006, 7 all the way to 2012, 13. I believe the procedure will be very close for all of them. Also, guys, we got this one from a car auction. Check out the channel. Really good deal on that one. And we just started a new channel, guys, called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're making only live videos for all kind of vehicles, so please check it out and subscribe, guys. It will mean a lot to us. So as you can see, the front end of the car is gone, and we decided to make the video now so we can actually show you how to do it, because otherwise it's impossible to stick the camera and show you the whole procedure. So let's start on it now. So again, for that procedure you do not have to take anything apart, guys. You can see this is the belt tensioner. This is the Serpentine belt tensioner. In order to release the belt, to remove it, you need to compress the tensioner, and usually on this model you're going to go clockwise. You can see that's the place where we're going to place a Torx wrench, okay, Torx 60, and we're going to stick it in there. If you're using sockets, they're even more convenient. We don't have a socket, so what we're going to do, actually, we'll get this wrench with extension on top, and we're going to go clockwise, okay? And when you go, it's going to compress, okay? You can see the tensioner, and you can pull the belt out of there. After that, all you have to do, you just need to start pulling the belt out. Okay, you can see, and stay with us to show you how to put the new belt on. So once you get the new belt, guys, we're going to start on the crankshaft pulley there. It goes on the back side, you can see. Okay, from there it goes to the power steering pump over here. Then you have the alternator. This is the idle pulley here. After that we need to go to the AC compressor. You have to make sure that the belt is being placed on the correct grooves. Okay, you gotta make sure it goes in everywhere. Okay, you can see right here how it came out. You have to go ahead, push it in. So now I'm going to hold it with one hand while the other person, okay, goes clockwise. Okay, and now we install it on the tensioner and we're ready to go. So you can see this is the diagram now. From the crankshaft pulley, power steering goes on the left side of the idle pulley, over the alternator to the AC compressor and back to the tensioner. So thank you for watching. Many more videos to come, probably close to 200 videos on that Beamer. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.